Good morning, everyone. Great to see you all here. The participants are coming and joining in. We have recently sent out all the notifications and everything to everyone. So hopefully we'll be having full outs in another 5 to 10 minutes time. Uh, Meantime, those who are at YouTube and who have not subscribed to the channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel and enable the notifications so that we can send out all the live streaming related notifications to you directly. A warm welcome to all of you on this free webinar on profiting with candlesticks. Previously, this webinar was organized 6 months back, and we've got another opportunity to schedule it now. So I see a great learning coming up in this webinar for all of you. I hope you all are excited as well. Just to give a brief about Profit Idea, the webinar, and Varun sir. Profit Idea started in 2011, started by Varun sir himself. And Varun sir is actually into this field for almost 14 plus years now. This webinar once again is going to be one wherein you will be able to utilize the learnings directly after this webinar onto your trading, and you will be able to start taking profitable trades immediately. So please stay tuned for this thing and stay till end so that you can max grab out of this session. To give about the profit idea stuff, we are into fund management, helping HNIs generate positive alpha. We are into advisory and consulting, and also helping the top management institutes and technology institutes in getting the updates and learnings related to stock markets, the practical learnings around it. Apart from trading, Profit Idea is pioneering many courses in financial markets education, is also tying up with National Stock Exchange and conducting many webinars over there. We are also helping people who are striving to make their career in financial markets, and also imparting trainings in NESIM and all the certifications related to NEC and BSc. People who have flair for derivative strategies, technical analysis, financial modeling, fundamental analysis, algorithmic trading, they are actually getting trained very well here with Profit Idea. Just to give a brief about Varun sir, although we all know Varun sir very well, and he is also popularly known as an RD professor amongst the trading community. He started his trading journey from 2006. It's been almost 16 plus years now that he is trading. He is an expert and authority in various areas, including wealth management and trading. He has been the guest lecturer with all the prestigious institutes across the country, including the Ministry of External Affairs and IIMs and IIT. There are many things, many accolades to his credits you can clearly see, and he's a pioneer on various concepts related to the investment banking algo strategies. There are techno derivatives and fundo derivatives. His models are getting referred across the globe and are being traded even in NASDAQ as well. So welcome to all of you. Thanks for taking out time and joining this session, and I wish you all very best for this session. Hope you all get the best of the learn. Varun sir, over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Atul sir, and good morning, everyone. Jai Shri Krishna. I hope I am clearly audible and all of you can see my PPT as well. So what we need to like as all of you know me as an RD professor, I always feel that it's very important that we always focus on skill set. And I think candlestick is one skill set in technical analysis, which can actually help you to enhance your knowledge better, to actually understand in terms of how you can trade better, understand the trading setup, and then identify the right stock, or when to take the right entry and right exit. I think that is something which is very, very important when it comes to trading. So understanding all those basic things and simple patterns can actually help you to trade better. That is the idea, and that is what where our focus is, that throughout the session I want people should understand that how best they can utilize candlestick and they can trade better, and that is something which we want to understand with this particular session. One should when coming to candlestick, one should understand that the history of candlestick is very long, and if you go back to the history, you will understand that It is being followed by people since long time. And if you like check like Sokyo Honma, who was a rice trader, and how like he used to predict with the help of in terms of how the prices can move in the rice market. And ever since then we have a concept called as Japanese candlestick. This is one concept that we should understand and develop over a period of time, that yes, candlestick is very popular, and candlestick can actually also help you to understand better that yes, like in which direction markets can move or the stock prices can move. So the whole idea over here is that how best we can utilize the structure of candlesticks. So we will understand like in terms of how these candlesticks are formed, what are the basic things which are attached with the candlestick, then what are the popular patterns that we need to identify as far as candlesticks are concerned, and then what to do, what not to do, what to expect, what is the probability percentage that we are looking at, and what are some of the important assumptions that we need to take into consideration while we are trying to understand candlesticks. That is something which is very important. So as a trader, what you need to understand, you need to develop a right technique in order to identify how this candlestick structure functions. Now if you see on my screen, there is a candlestick formation and the structure of candlestick which I'm talking about. Now when I say these candlesticks and the structure of candlesticks which we are talking about over here, first you need to understand that we have two types of candles. One is a bullish candle, another one is a bearish candle. When I say there is a bullish candle, with bullish candle, we all need to understand that a bullish candle is a one where your open price is lower than your close price, which means whenever, let's say, suppose any XYZ stock or maybe an index, it opens like in the morning, it opens at, let's say, suppose, for example, Nifty is opening at 18,000. And by the end of the day, suppose if it is closing at 18,100, that means the open is at the lower level, closes at the higher level, we will always see a bullish candle. Now, between open and close, what you see is body of the candle. So the body of the candle is represented by, like, if it is a bullish candle, it is a green candle, or it can be a blue candle, it can be a white candle. Similarly, you will always have a high and low. So these are referred to as upper shadow and lower shadow or wick. So for example, if you see upper wick is the high, lower wick is the low price that you see between the open and the close, between the open and the low. That is the wick that you see. Similarly, on a bearish candle, you will always witness something which is very important for you to note. That is, your open will always be higher than the close. So for example, Nifty is opening at 18,000. By the end of the day, it closes at 17,800 rupees. That means like there is a 200 point, like Nifty has slid since the morning, like it opened at 18,000, and then by the end of the day it went down to 17,800. And that is where, like, you will see the body of the candle which is completely red, and that signifies bearishness. Now usually, like, one of the very important assumptions is that you should always keep in mind, if it is a bullish candle, that means like you should follow the trend. Now usually one should not look too short on a bullish candle, one should not look too long on a bearish candle. We should always wait for the confirmation, and these are very simple basic rules, but the earlier you understand, the better you become. And with time you will realize that these are very important things that we should follow and we should look to implement as far as trading is concerned. Because usually, like, you will see that after a red candle there is a big follow through which keeps on happening. And in fact, like, many people, those who attended my session this week, and I was clearly telling them that yes, Nifty has formed a bearish candle, and even after that we have seen like how Nifty has gone down. So what we need to understand is that if we identify even a basic candlestick structure, we can identify in terms of where the markets can move, where the prices can move. And that is something which is very important for us as a trader to understand. So when we talk about patterns, when we talk about candlestick, you need to understand that we have single candle, double candle, triple candle, and multi candle patterns. Today we are going to focus on some new patterns, something which is very effective, and I'll show you with like in terms of on real charts, that how these patterns can be really productive for you as a trader, and how you can make money over a period of time. And if you identify those right patterns, you will find that most of the stocks that you pick, most of the trading strategies that you want to do, whether you want to trade in derivatives, whether you want to trade in commodities market, you want to trade in currency market, you want to trade in equity market, it will hardly make a difference. The only point is you need to identify the right pattern. So like, for example, somebody says that, sir, I want to track candlestick pattern on gold. And definitely you can go ahead and check gold chart. You want to track USD INR or maybe GBP INR, whatever that you are trading, it will not make a difference. So whether you are trading Bank Nifty or you are trading commodity or you are trading, let's say, suppose for example, like any currency pair, it will not make a difference as long as you understand the technique right, and the principles will remain same. And as you will notice, like most of these candles, like as we will go to the higher levels, for example, let's say suppose if we talk about multiple candles, your success probability keep on going up, as you see multiple candles and as you identify the trends right. One more thing, many a times like I come across questions from people that, sir, we identified this candle, it happened, and then somehow like after that a trend might tend to fizzle out. Now this is something where like we need to understand, you need to like focus on in a very clear position, that how do we like manage our position. I think this is something which is very very important, because most of the times like people might enter into a position but they are not very clear in terms of where they should look to exit. One more thing, like you will see a big Marubozu candle, or let's say suppose there is a bullish pattern being formed, there is a follow through also which happens. Then where do we miss out? We miss out actually when we don't follow the basic in terms of putting our stop losses in the right manner. And this is like time and again when I see like people like putting across a question on Twitter or maybe on LinkedIn or Facebook, they come across very simple questions that how do we ensure that these things do not happen, and we remember like we keep our strict stop losses, we understand the structure better, and we understand like how we can trade better. That is something which I feel can be extremely important. So we will be focusing on these candlestick patterns so that all of you can understand how these pattern works and how best we can ensure that yes, like over a period of time we can work. So some of the candlestick pattern that you look at, like if I talk about single candle pattern, these are very effective, very very popular patterns, and if you learn to identify them in the right manner, trust me, you will find that most of these patterns can be very rewarding to you as a trader. So if I talk about like these four patterns: Marubozu, spinning top, dojis, paper umbrella pattern, you will find that most of these patterns that if you identify and if you learn to like in terms of identify them early, and you also identify like in terms of when you should look to enter, you will find that most of your trades will go on the right direction, and your success rate, because at the end of the day what matters a lot is our success rate, like what is our success rate that we are looking at. So we actually look at a success rate. So in terms of how can we increase our probability from 50-60% to maybe 70%, 80%, 90%, that is where like we need to understand that yes, patterns can help. Another important thing that people tend to forget is like they don't put the stop loss, and I think that is time and again like we uh, keep focusing on that. Yes, please always ensure that you keep a strict stop loss. Never just like take a trade just because you want to take the trade, and then you just leave it to the market, and then in that case like you end up losing a lot of capital. So the whole idea is that how do we do the risk management, and that is something which I will be coming at. And as I promised to all the people, those who are attending this session, if you remember, like I posted that I will be telling you three stocks that you can still pick. We have recently picked up those stocks. Some of them are already like with substantial gain, but still I feel that in the coming time these stocks can even give you even higher rewards. So by the end of the session I will be disclosing three stocks that you can pick. Even like for the short term it is looking good, and even at like if you look at the long term structure, the chart structure is looking very very good. So I will be discussing those chart structure also along with the candlestick pattern. Similarly, we have some double candlestick pattern. So if I talk about some double candlestick pattern, we have engulfing pattern. So we have a bullish engulfing or a bearish engulfing. Similarly, the pattern that I will talk about today, and I think it's very very effective pattern, and this is called as counter attack. So we have a bullish counter attack and a bearish counter attack. I will be discussing this pattern in detail so that people can understand that how do you identify counter attack in the live market. And these counter attacks are really really important, because like many a times many people they question me like in terms of, sir, as this market is coming down, and because this market is coming down, how do we know that there is a strong reversal which can happen? And I think counter attack is a very strong reversal that you see on the chart. Whenever you see a counter attack getting formed, then how do you trade counter attack, and how do you ensure that yes, you can make most out of the counter attack? So I will be discussing like the bullish counter attack and a bearish counter attack. Apart from that, a dark cloud cover candle. If you look at major market corrections, when I say major, it means major. It's like if you look at some of the major reversals on stock prices, index, in fact 2008 correction, dark cloud cover is something which we should focus on. I can show you so many examples, multiple examples, where you will see that a dark cloud cover getting formed, and then the trend like it completely changed, and the stock price completely reversed, and the price started going down, and it was a big move that you can eat simply on identifying dark cloud cover. And that is again like very, very important for you as a trader to understand that if you identify right, your chances of making money will increase rapidly. That is something which we have to focus on. Then there is like harami patterns, which we call it as a bullish harami or a bearish harami. We have a kicker pattern, which is a bullish kicker and a bearish kicker. Then we have tweezer top and tweezer bottom, in terms of how do we identify that yes, like probably this is the bottom or this is the top. We have falling window and a rising window. So usually, like again, that signifies that whenever there is a falling window or a rising window formed, how you should position yourself. And then we have Seahawk patterns, or like we have a homing pigeon pattern. These are bird patterns. And again, at times, many people might say, sir, the candlestick chart that we were looking at, it was looking bullish, but why market turned bearish? Usually that happens because of the bird pattern. And I have seen many professional traders also, they fail to recognize these bird patterns. So when you identify the right bird pattern, you will identify that yes, like this is where market can tilt. In spite of you seeing a bearish market, it might turn bullish, or sometimes like you will see a bullish market, it will turn bearish. So is there a way that yes, you can identify that? Yes, with the help of bird pattern. And then we have Tasuki patterns, which is like, again, it can be bullish, it can be bearish. So how can we identify the right Tasuki pattern on the chart? And then looking at the Tasuki pattern, you can apply that and you can just like look to identify the right pattern and make money. So these are very important productive double candlestick pattern that we look to apply when it comes to candlestick. Similarly, like coming to the triple candlestick pattern, we have some patterns called as like Mercury pattern, which is also referred to as morning star. So again, like it's like whenever when everything seems like okay, the market is going down, 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 and everybody is bearish, and suddenly you see something like a morning star. That's a kind of a hope that you see in terms of on that particular stock or an index, and that is where I think one should look to go long. So a pattern like a morning star pattern, the moment you identify a morning star, I think that is where the bonus lies, that okay, look to trade on the long side, go long, and if you go long, your chances of making money will be very high. Another thing is like we have planet Venus, which is an evening star. So again, it's like markets are just going up in one direction. Most people, they think that it will just continue on the higher side, but that is where evening star comes into picture, and suddenly the trend changes. So how do we identify that yes, like this trend will change? And we have a modification to that, like in terms of doji morning star or a doji evening star, a bullish abandoned baby or a bearish abandoned baby, or a three white shoulder pattern back to back green candles, or three black crows back to back red candles. Similarly, we have upside Tasuki gap. So with the gap, how the candlesticks are formed, downside Tasuki gap. So with the downside gap, like how do you see the pattern is getting unfolded? How can we apply those patterns in the live market? So it's all about like understanding, training your eyes, seeing like how the pattern looks like. And then we have some very popular multi candlestick pattern. So when I say multi candlestick pattern, it's like a three line bullish or a three line bearish, or a two black gapping, or a fry pan kind of a pattern, which is like the normal fry pan that you use in your kitchen. Similarly, like we see the fry pan bottom pattern getting formed in the market. We have cradle, J hook, scoop patterns, belt hold patterns. All these patterns are very important for you to like understand, because next time when you look at a chart, and the moment you see the chart, you will be start identifying the patterns. And the day you start identifying the patterns, you will find that your trading will improve massively. Your trading will go to a next level altogether, and that is what you want as a trader. That is exactly what we are looking at. So as a trader, you want to improve your trading style. You want to ensure that like you can increase your success ratio. And another thing, like I'm not saying that all your trades will go in the right direction. It will never happen. So like time and again, like, you know, this is something which I feel that I should be focused on, and I should be helping people to understand, because time and again I come across this question, which is like being asked by the traders, sir, actually, like, do you think like candlestick will make my trading much better in terms of what I do? Honestly speaking, I think that is not going to happen. But see, what you can see on my screen is something which is very, very important. See, we trade day in, day out, we trade, and as a trader, you make a lot of mistakes. And that is something which we need to realize that, yes, this is something which is going to happen. But if you notice, like I'm showing you the PNL and the trading which I have done from April till now. And if you see, like I have short term and I have long term and I have speculative gains. So sometimes, like when you take a trade, like on Alembic Pharma, I took the trade and I was thinking like, okay, fair enough, it is not going probably the way that I want. And then this trade like went going in a loss. Cut that. Like there is no room for emotion. And I'm being very, very honest with you. It's like the moment you keep the room for emotion, that is where you will go wrong. So the first and the foremost, like which is very, very important, is that you should understand that we should learn to cut our losses. Small losses are always better than having even bigger losses. So if you learn to keep small losses, you will find that most of your trades will go in the right direction. And that is where we need to realize that whatever quantity that you are trading, have a strict stop loss. Because if you learn to keep stop losses, you will find that your trading success will go to next level altogether. And that is what we want. So see, it's like small trades. Like if even whether if I'm looking to take a swing trade or if I'm looking to take a positional trade, always understand that take a trade in such a manner so that you have your stop loss, and never like shy away from cutting small losses. So if you see, like this is a small loss, consistency matters. So just keep noticing, this is all short term. This is speculation. So this row is speculation. This is short term and this is long term. And I'm showing you like all, like I keep all my long term shares intact. In fact, like I have a habit of doing something in terms of like practically how do I judge in terms of where the stocks can go. And I always practice something which is very important. Like whenever my stock doubles, or I feel that the stock prices is uh, it has gone up too much in a short run, I always cut my stocks 50%. So when I say that I cut my stock 50%, it means that it gives me an example. It gives me a possibility that in that particular case, even if the stock price comes down and I have an intent that I want to keep a stock for long term, at least like my purchase cost comes to a price which is like way beyond. And I will be giving you some examples so that you can understand, and we will be talking practical examples in terms of practical stocks, that how do I pick and what do I take into consideration. For example, like if you look at all these trades, these are successful. Again, a kind of a trade which happened not as per me, not going as per me. And again, 25,000 loss, take that loss. It's a happy loss, take it, and take it with both hands. I think this is something which is very, very important, and that is going to improve your trading. So see, all these trades, consistency. What I'm trying to probably focus on is consistency. With candlestick, I will show you patterns, I will show you live understanding of patterns, but please understand consistency will matter. Look at this consistency. Again, small loss, cut it off, no worries. Look at this consistency again, all consistent. This is all like all the trades, like whether it is like Gabriel India, whether it is like for example Groer and Whale, Greaves Cotton, Green Panel. Look at the consistency that is coming up with your trading style. That is something which you need to like focus on. Again, one loss trade, big loss, fair enough, like take it. 74K, your trade is not going as per your expectation, no harm in cutting that loss. Just take that loss with both hands. You will find yourself in a very good position, because there is always another trade that is going to help you make money. That is something which I really want all of you to focus on. Like JSL, I remember I was trading intraday, it didn't go my way, I cut it off. 39,000 loss, fair enough. But then I took another trade, positional trade. It gave me 2,80,000 rupees. So So it's very, very important that you focus on right mechanism. Another thing, like I saw one question somebody asked me yesterday, NMDC. See, for me, NMDC 82,000 rupees profit. Why profit? Because I trade with technique. There are people like those who don't understand in terms of like what is the right mechanism. And if you don't follow the right mechanism, right process, you will always be in trouble. Sir, like you mentioned about NMDC, and then NMDC went up. And then I also mentioned about the technique that this is my trailing stop loss. Keep a very strict trailing stop loss. And that is where like I don't have any issue. I bought 9,000 shares, end up making 82,000 rupees, squared it off. You need to learn that yes, your technique must be right and consistency matters. So some trades will not go as per you. Most trades will go as per you. Again, look at this consistency. And there are some big trades, 4,19,000, 3 lakh rupees, 3,26,000 rupees. So profitability will matter. And again, there are some trades which are not going to give you, it will not move as per your expectation. Fair enough, that will happen. But will that mean that you can just like, you can simply blindly trade? No. Just put rest to speculation. Always position yourself better, understand like what you are doing, why are you doing it, and see, this is a PNL which is like right in front of you. So it's good, like 59,45,000 rupees profit. This is 76,000 on speculation. So it has after considering all taxes, all like in terms of some of the losses which has gone by. But what you need to understand is identifying the pattern. In fact, people, those who attended my session on 17th, I mentioned that Nifty is forming a typical head and shoulder. And if this head and shoulder is getting formed with the chart pattern that we are talking about, we were here. See, this is where like I was talking about, that this is something which we can see. And again, Nifty has gone down. It has gone down further. So why it has gone down, that you need to understand. If you follow the pattern, if you understand what candlesticks are telling you, you will be able to position yourself better. In fact, like I see somebody like posted on Twitter as well, and they asked me like regarding, sir, we see Nifty going to 20,000 plus in a month's time, and it was like, and see, Nifty is nowhere. The point is, we need to understand. In fact, major portfolios, if you have noticed, I posted that try preferring liquidating portfolios before 8th of October. Market went up still, but still, if you notice the gains in the portfolio must have eroded. And this is something which we need to understand, that there is always a reason, why it's like we mention about those things, and what we can see on the patterns and how the pattern looks like. So never ignore a broader pattern. That is one. Another point, how do we understand? So one of the basic assumption which I was telling you, see, it's like it's a big red candle. If you ignore this red candle, that means you are putting yourself in trouble. Never do that. So never look to buy on such a candle, because if you look to buy, you will always find yourself in trouble. If you look to buy here, you will always find yourself in trouble. Always try to understand like what the patterns are trying to tell you, what the candlestick is trying to tell you. And you will find that your trading style will improve to the next level. It will go to the next level. And that is what we want to do. That is exactly what we want to achieve. And that is why, like I was trying to emphasize more, that understand your risk management, understand like how do you want to position yourself. And once you have like understood the patterns, the way you look at chart, it will improve drastically. Now, coming to the first pattern, and coming to the single candlestick pattern. Now, when I say a single candlestick pattern, in a single candlestick pattern, I'm talking about a pattern called as paper umbrella. So when I say paper umbrella, it is more of like I'm trying to refer to two types of candle. One is shooting star. Another one is inverted hammer. Now, if you notice, this is something that we have done specifically. And I don't know how many of you can notice it, but if you go to typical textbook, and I repeat, if you refer to a typical textbook, and like if you are reading somewhere, you will always find that most people will actually draw shooting star in color red, and they will draw inverted hammer in color green. I repeat, most people will draw shooting star in color red, because shooting star means it's a bearish candle. It is usually formed at the top, and then market starts going down. So shooting star is usually formed at the top in a red color, but we have purposely put it in a green color. And I'll tell you why. Because many participants, they tend to confuse themselves that if it is in green color, it will not function. Even though most of the assumptions, like as I mentioned about assumption, that never look too short on a green candle. But if you see a shooting star at the top, now what is a shooting star? A shooting star is the one where you will see the wick, the upper shadow is more than the double of the body of the candle. So if you see a shooting star right at the top, and even if it is in green color, it will not matter. So if it is in red color, of course, that is also fine. If it is in green color, most people confuse that, okay, this is not a shooting star, markets cannot fall. No, you are wrong if you are thinking in that direction. Always remember, if the market is going up, and even if you see a green color shooting star, that green color shooting star is actually a sell indication. Always look to sell. Okay, now very important part. What should be our stop loss? So this stop loss is always one tick above the high. So like if you are trading on National Stock Exchange, the one tick is 5 paisa. So for example, the high of this candle is, let's say, suppose 100 rupees. So what should be your stop loss? 100 rupees 5 paisa. Keep that stop loss trade. And then again, as I said, there is no room for emotion. Sir, हमारा तो ना stop loss कट जाता है कई बार. अरे कट जाता है तो कट जाता है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So even if your stop loss is getting hit, do not worry. It will not make a difference. See, stop losses are placed in the system. It is not placed in the mind. Sir, हमने सोच रखा है. See, in terms of what you are thinking in mind, that is not going to act as your risk management. What you need to understand, that you need to keep your stop losses in the system. So keep a stop loss just one tick above the high, take a trade. Let's say suppose on the top, if a shooting star is getting formed, and that is where like you identify it, look to short. Another thing, sir, what is the right time frame to actually take a trade on the shooting star? So this is another thing like which people ask me, like what is the right time frame, where like at what time frame should I look to trade? I always prefer a shooting star getting formed on a daily chart. And most of the trades that I take on candlestick, most of the trades are on a daily chart. Now, why daily chart? Because there is a lot of activity which happens during the day. And if throughout the day there is some pattern, like the stock went up, and by the end of the day, it is again closing towards the low of the day, or maybe like just where it opened, like just above where it opened. That means that the bulls are not very convinced in terms of the rally. They are giving up on the gains, plus they are not willing to buy at the higher price. So if these indications are very prominent and it is coming up, that is where like you understand that yes, it is better that you look to short this market, or you look to short that particular stock, rather than looking to buy that particular stock. And if you short, you will see that your possibility of making money will be much higher in comparison to if you look to long on a shooting star. Now, let me show you one live example of a shooting star, because I think that will give you more clarity in terms of how this shooting star looks like. How do you like play on a shooting star? How do you like ensure that yes, like the shooting star is giving you the kind of direction that we are looking at? So let's say, for example, if I like even if you look at this Nifty chart, and if you look at the major patterns that we see. Now, usually what happens, like for example, the market is going up here. Now, right here, if you notice this candle on my chart, and if you see this candle, can you see this candle? Now, this candle is actually giving me a clear hint. Next day we can fall. And again, I will like to highlight that this candle is a green candle, but still from the top, bulls are giving up. It's on a daily chart. Bulls are giving up. They are like not in a position that they can hold on to the gains at the top. And that is where you're getting a signal that ideally the markets can go down. Again, I'll give you one more very good example, which is like, again, you can even call it as a dragonfly doji. It's kind of a gravestone doji, which is like a kind of a reverse T. The body is very shallow, but still what has happened? In spite of being in red color, now again went down. Green color went down. Again, market is going up. Again, there is a shooting star, market went down. Simple, like, and if you keep your trading simple, you will find that your trading accuracy will improve. Most people try to have very complex chart, complex structures. Trust me, that is not going to help your trading. If you really want to improve your trading style, if you really want to understand like how the structure is getting formed, look at these are all live interpretations, live charts. And on Nifty, one of the most traded index that we have in the country, and liquidity is very, very high. So if you look at this, these are patterns which cannot be ignored. And if you identify them early, you will find that your trading success will be much, much higher. I hope like the participants are able to understand, they're able to understand like how these patterns are getting formed, how these patterns can be applied, and what are the basic things that we should be looking at as far as these patterns are concerned. I hope like that makes sense, and people are able to understand the significance, the importance of a shooting star. And I can show you even some more like very classical in terms of examples. In fact, many a times people come up with in terms of queries like how do we check like whether this is getting formed or this is not getting formed. See, even if you look at here, if you look at here, we cannot ignore these patterns. These are patterns which are actually giving you a simple classification that the moment you see a shooting star getting formed, always look to actually form this, and always try to ensure that whenever this kind of a pattern is getting formed, please do not ignore it. I hope people are able to understand a shooting star. Also, uh, as I mentioned, just keep a strict stop loss without emotions. Just keep a strict stop loss and trade. Another pattern that I lay a lot of emphasis on, that is called as inverted hammer. Now, many a times again, we tend to get confused with a pattern called as inverted hammer, because it looks similar to a shooting star, but it is again not a shooting star. So you might feel that yes, it is as similar to what we see on the shooting star, but when inverted hammer is formed, it is formed when the market is going down, 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 down. And when market is going down or a stock is going down, and that is when the moment you come across a pattern called as inverted hammer. So it's if you look at that pattern, you will find that that pattern will look extremely it will be formed in an extremely bearish market. So when the markets are going down and you find something like a kind of a inverted hammer getting formed, so it looks exactly similar to a shooting star. The only difference is it is formed at the bottom. Shooting star is formed at the top, whereas when I talk about inverted hammer is always formed at the bottom. That is the significance of inverted hammer. It will show you that yes, market is in a position where it is about to bottom out, and if you look to trade on the long side, your chances of making money will be much higher in comparison to anything else. And that is where you can, you as a trader will see that yes, there will be a massive improvement when you look to trade on inverted hammers. Now, inverted hammers, whenever you see that inverted hammer is getting formed, such type of a pattern is always traded with an intent that yes, you are bullish on an index. And that is where your intent should be very clear, that you can look to trade on the long side, and you can always look to find that such patterns can be highly rewarding to you as a trader. So when to actually take a trade, and how do you take the trade when you find that yes, a pattern like this is getting formed on any particular index or any particular stock, and how you can identify that this is a right technique or a right pattern that we are looking at. So first of all, again, it will always have a upper shadow which is double than the body size. Color can be anything. I have purposely taken red because many people think that if it is red, it will go down further. No, if it is red, it can still go up. So color can be any, it can be red, it can be green, but whenever inverted hammer is formed at the bottom, it is always bullish. Now, how to take the trade? Now, one of the mechanism to take the trade is that once you have spotted a inverted hammer, then always give yourself some room. Now, when I say some room, it means that because see, it's like there is no difference. Like you will always see that inverted hammer will always have a high, right? So, but high is not important to us because when market is going down, 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 that high will not make a difference. For us, low is very important. But because the margin in the low will be very less, because market has closed where like the low is formed. So low is not very far off in terms of the where the market is. So in this particular case, whenever you see that there is a inverted hammer getting formed, always take a stop loss, and that stop loss mechanism is different than what we have in the shooting star. So for example, if I show you this live candlestick pattern, and if I show you the live chart, this is live Bank Nifty chart. What I see on the Bank Nifty chart, and see, I don't know what is going to happen tomorrow, but what I can see on the Bank Nifty chart is that it is bullish. And I'll tell you why. Like I feel that this Bank Nifty is actually bullish, and probably if I'm not wrong, ideally market should be respecting the lows, and from here like maybe we might see another move on the higher side, which might happen on Bank Nifty. But then we need to see the confirmation tomorrow, like how Bank Nifty behaves tomorrow. And I think like overall, if you look at the chart, in my personal view, I feel that the Bank Nifty is forming a live candlestick pattern, which looks bullish, which looks good. Now, why it looks good? Why it is looking like that this is a good candlestick pattern if one wants to trade? First of all, there is a good inverted hammer. So market is going down, down, down. There is a good inverted hammer. Along with the inverted hammer, there is a candlestick pattern, which we call it as a spinning bottom. So this is where where my marking is. This is where I feel that yes, markets are looking over here somewhere, like Bank Nifty is looking good. Ideally, Bank Nifty can bounce from the current level. Now, because in shooting star, we can keep a high stop loss. That is fine. But over here, the high stop loss will not make a difference. So what is the right stop loss? Now, this is where a lot of confusion happens in the mind of people, that what is our right stop loss? What is the right mechanism to keep the stop loss? So I'll tell you like how do you position yourself in terms of the stop loss. Now, whenever you find such a pattern getting formed, always take the previous high. So can you see this high? This high along with this low. Now this range band is very, very important for me on closing basis. So ideally what I will do, I will go to like 1, 2. On second number, you will see something called as parallel channel. So I will click on a parallel channel, and in the parallel channel, what I'm doing, just for the benefit of all the partners, see this high I'm talking about. So from this high, I'm drawing one line. This is something which becomes very, very crucial for me. And you need to be little lenient in terms of what you do. So this band will actually act as a very strong support. Now, ideally, when I have noticed that this is an inverted hammer getting formed and then this is a spinning bottom, what you should look for, a reversal candle. If there is a reversal candle, look for a long trade. Look for a long trade. It will actually look bullish. So ideally what is happening in spite of Nifty going down? Now, what I'm trying to say, see, even in the last session, in spite of Nifty going down 133 points, Bank Nifty has gone down only 65 points. So Bank Nifty is showing some strength. Bank Nifty is actually like suggesting you that probably like it does not want to go down further. Of course, like there can be a possible day something might happen in the world market and it goes down. Fair enough. But if tomorrow you see a candlestick pattern which is looking bullish, take a trade on the long side with a stop loss. So what should be your right stop loss? Ideally, let's say suppose if you want to keep a lenient stop loss, and if you want to keep a stop loss which looks pretty handy, that is the low of this candle, this hammer. This is 36,876. If you keep this as stop loss, you will find that most of the times your trade will go in the right direction, and you have to be little lenient. So let's say suppose somebody is trading to like, for example, buy Bank Nifty on a reversal candle. Suppose let's say for example tomorrow it goes down and then by the end of the day it recovers, or there is a reversal candle that I see, I will look to take a trade on the Bank Nifty on the long side, and then that is a trade that can be rewarding. So usually most of those trades can actually give you good amount of money. And hammer candle pattern, it always gives you a reversal. It always gives you a kind of a position that yes, you can make money over a period of time. And if you take the position, you will make money. So I'll give you some classical examples. And in fact, like over here also you can compare, like it's a beautiful shooting star and how beautifully Bank Nifty went down. So we cannot ignore those patterns, and we cannot ignore like in terms of how the structure is getting formed. Similarly, like if you look at over here, I'll show you. Look at this again, a beautiful shooting star. Now, in this whole process, let's suppose I'll show you a pattern which is getting formed right here on the index, like on Bank Nifty. Look at this here, right at the bottom. So if you look at this bottom here, right here, for example, just right here where my cursor is. So if you see this, I'm just like putting a mark here so that all of you can easily locate this right here. Can you see the pattern? And if you see this pattern right here at the bottom, it's a beautiful pattern getting formed. So at the bottom, market is going down, 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 and just at the down, there is a beautiful inverted hammer. And when this inverted hammer is formed, can you see the market is respecting the previous low? This is the previous low right here. So this low was respected. If you see this low is respected. So let's suppose if I just change the color, I'll show you. See, this is the low which should have acted as your stop loss. You took the trade here. So if you would have taken a trade here, like for example, if you take the trade here, you will find that your success ratio is very high. This is where exactly your low was formed. There is a reversal candle, take the trade, stop loss here, and see the beautiful rally. So Bank Nifty, which was like around 26,700, 26,500, that Bank Nifty went all the way in a single like movement, like it went all the way up to 30,000 rupees. So it's a good 3,500 points move that we can see on Bank Nifty. And it's a very good move that we can see. And again, it's a daily chart. So again, it's like what we should remember, it is a daily chart that we are looking at. So on a daily chart, if you look at this particular trade, it's a beautiful trade, a swing trade, which is on the long side. And if you have taken this swing trade is giving you very good amount of money. A simple trade, a simple pattern which was formed. And if one looks to take a trade on that simple pattern, you will find that this pattern can actually help you achieve what you want to do. And see, even if I extend this line, it's a beautiful, that stop loss never got hit. This is where the pattern was getting formed. This is where like we were looking at the pattern and beautiful inverted hammer. This is our stop loss, take a trade. And if you have taken a trade with the right stop loss, you will find that most of the times you will end up making money. Yes, this is an inverted hammer right here. It's a big long upper shadow, and then it's in green color because market has gone down. And after market has gone down, this inverted hammer is formed. So what is the stop loss? Stop loss is right here. This should act as a stop loss, take a trade on the long side, and you can see like what has happened after that. A beautiful rally on Bank Nifty. So this is where like we should always be looking at like identifying like what is the major structure on like which is getting formed on the index. And whenever like such type of structures, patterns are formed, you will always find that your trading style will improve drastically. You will find that most of your trades will go on the right direction. And by the like very soon you will find that your trading accuracy will improve to the next level. That is the idea. And I hope like all the participants, you are able to understand that how this trading pattern can be applied. And with the success, like your success can be immense success that you can actually get as far as these patterns are concerned. Now, very quickly, like coming to the next pattern and coming to the next patterns, that's like more of a candlestick pattern that we talk about, which is called as bullish counter attack and a bearish counter attack. Now, so for example, like if I talk about bullish counter attack and a bearish counter attack, so If I talk about these two, bullish and bearish, both of these patterns are very effective. In fact, like major reversals from the bottom happens when you see a kind of a bullish counter attack or a bearish counter attack. In fact, like I have participants like, sir, is there any way, is there any book that we can refer to as far as these patterns are concerned? Can we refer to any article that you have? So you can definitely, like all the participants, those who are attending this session, you can always like go to my LinkedIn, and on my LinkedIn, you will find an article on candlestick. It's a free of cost article that you can refer to, and it will give you a detailed explanation of like what candlesticks are all about. So for example, let's suppose somebody wants to understand like how we should look to trade. What are the important stop loss levels? What are the things that we should be looking at as far as these patterns are formed? So you don't need to worry. You don't need to in terms of let's say, even if you have missed out on something and you want to like refer again, you can definitely go back to this article, and you can check this article. So for example, those who are looking to understand the patterns and stop losses and everything, this is an article that you can refer to: paper umbrella, candles, hammer, inverted hammer, how the patterns are formed, how inverted hammers are formed. So you can always check that. Shooting star. So this will really help you to understand the pattern better. This will always like help you to trade better, and understand that how these patterns can be traded regularly, and how these patterns can be of very important effective use. So as a trader, always try to understand, increase your accuracy. Now, again, coming back to the double candle pattern that we are referring to. So when I say a double candle pattern, and when I'm talking about these two patterns, a bullish counter attack and a bearish counter attack, both bullish counter attack and a bearish counter attack can be very interesting and rewarding. So as a trader, what you should be looking at when you're looking to form, when you're looking to check any particular pattern, it's important that sometimes like the market is in a very strong bear trend, sometimes it is in a very strong bull trend. How do we know that there is a big reversal which is coming up? So sometimes many people see, irrespective of a bull market or a bear market, what we need to realize that it has to end at some point or the other. And that is where we have to find out, we have to understand that if we understand the right pattern, if we understand like how these patterns are formed, and if we can identify them at the right time, you will save a lot of money. Because like before the 2008 crash, and after 2008 crash, there are many people, those who are they evaporated from the market because they had no money, or maybe 1992 scam, or 2000 crash that we saw in the markets, or in 2017, like after the very big rally in 2018, like what we saw, or in 2016 what we saw, in 2013 what we saw. So many people, they are wiped off, especially if you are trading in derivatives. Most of the times you will find that your losses can be very big, and you will be completely wiped out from the market. So is there a way that you can increase your consistency, you can trade better, you can understand okay, how you should be looking to trade? I think bullish counter attack will be giving you a signal that yes, probably the market is getting bottomed out, or market is getting topped out. And that is why as a trader, I love to trade on these patterns, like a bullish counter attack or a bearish counter attack. And this is a kind of a pattern which can be very interesting for you to trade, because usually you will find a very convincing candle pattern getting formed. I'll show you a live example. Again, probably people, those who are asking me regarding the article also, if I show you, you can even refer to this on my article. The link I have shared in the chat box with the participants, so that they can access to the in terms of to this article, or you can simply go to LinkedIn and you can access this article. So when I say a bullish counter attack, you will always feel something which is very important, that it is always like the market is going down with a gap. You will see a big green candle getting formed. So there is a reversal coming in. Now, why this reversal is strong? Because the market is going down, down, down. And because the market is going down, suddenly there is a reversal. From market opened at this level, at the lower level, it went down further and then started recovering. And by the end of the day, market closed at the high. So it opened gap down, and by the end of the day, it covered up the entire gap. It's a very bullish sign, highly bullish signal. And when you see such type of a trend getting formed, a bullish signal getting formed. That is what we call it as a bullish counter attack. So if you look at the screen, I have taken one example of TCS here, Tata Consultancy Services here, and I'll show you live example also, and I'll show you on the live chart as well. And you can refer to the chart like at any point in time. So for example, let's say suppose somebody wants to like check the chart on TradingView or Charting, or maybe like ME Broker, Ninja, Motivate, whatever. It's always up to you. But if you see this trend, the market was in a downtrend, going down, down, down with a gap. It opened, gap down, opened here. By the end of the day, it closed the gap. It's highly bullish. If you look to buy here, that is where your chances of success will improve. And as a trader, you will find that you will be able to trade better. So let's say suppose if I pull up a chart of TCS here, just to make you understand better, just to help you understand like how it looked like on a chart, on a real-time chart. And if you are looking to check, and another like before I move to TCS, and I'll show you like that chart structure. Look at this beautiful, the pattern that we just discussed. Beautiful inverted hammer. And then how beautifully TCS went up. And then at the top, a beautiful shooting star. Again, went down, beautiful inverted hammer, again went up. And then again, a beautiful shooting star went down. And that's why the moment you see the patterns, you understand like how the structure is looking like, your trading accuracy will go to a new level altogether. And that is what we want. Like as a trader, that is what we want to achieve. That is what like exactly we want to have an understanding of as far as technical trading is all about. Again, like see a beautiful hammer and then how market went up. So these patterns can be important. Again, a beautiful shooting star, market went down. So the day you start understanding these patterns, the day you start identifying these patterns, you will understand that your accuracy will be to a next level altogether. Now, I am trying to highlight this pattern which I was showing you. It's a live pattern that I think all of you will be able to foresee. Look at this TCS pattern. Let me just remove the volume as well. Just focus on the chart. So if you see this chart, it was going down, down, down. Then with the gap, look at the open. Open of TCS was 1559.70. By the end of the day, it closed towards 1636. It covered up the gap, closed with a very bullish intent that yes, bulls are taking power now. And if bulls are taking power, that means just take a trade here, put this as stop loss, this low. So what is your stop loss here? Your stop loss will be this low, a recent low. Now, sometimes you will find that a recent low may not be there. So even one tick below this candle, that can also act as a very good stop loss. So take a stop loss here. If you take a stop loss here, you will find that your trade will be very good, very smooth. And see the rally that we saw on TCS. Beautiful rally on TCS. And again, before it went down, there is a beautiful inverted hammer. Oh, sorry, shooting star. Right? Can you see this candle? So it was going up, 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 and then there is a beautiful shooting star. It went down. So we need to realize that if we identify right pattern, automatically the trading success will come. Similarly, on the flip side, on the reverse side, we have a pattern which is called as a bearish counter attack. Now see this. Now, again, this is something which is again a very, very important in terms of like how the trend can change, how things can change, and how the patterns might look to reverse. So when you are looking to form when you're looking to check the chart, always see like how these structures, how these things are getting changed. So I hope like the TCS chart is giving you a clarity in terms of identifying the double candlestick pattern better, that how a bullish counter attack can be really rewarding to you as a trader. And if you look to take a trade on a bullish counter attack, I think that will give you like a clarity in terms of how things are looking, like how we can look at a chart. Another thing is like we have something which we call it as a bearish counter attack. Now, when I say a bearish counter attack, it is highly bearish. It is a sign that market is like getting topped out. So when I say a bearish counter attack, you will always find that the market is in a place where like from the top, it can always reverse, it can go down. And that is where like your chances will be very, very high that you can make money over a period of time. And again, if you look to take a trade on a bearish counter attack, always try to find that right, identify the right pattern, identify like how the pattern is getting unfolded, and then look to take a trade on that particular pattern. Your success will go to next level altogether. So as you look at this, like the market opens on the higher side with a gap up, it opens up, and by the end of the day, it goes down, and it goes down drastically. So market opens at this particular level at the highest point. By the end of the day, it covers the entire gap and close down. Highly bearish. It's a sign that the stock is forming a top, and you should look to short. And I'll give you one example. Like I'll show you one classical example on JK paper. So if you look at this, like this is a live chart of JK paper. And I think if you look at this particular candle here, I think this will give you a clarity as to what I'm trying to refer to. Now it was going up. After it was going up, there is a big opening, like it opened up. By the end of the day, it given up all the gains that it had, and stock price from the top, it came down. And see what has happened after that. The stock price just collapsed from 130 rupees. The stock price went all the way down. So this is where like you should always be looking at how the candlestick pattern is getting formed. And if you look at this candlestick pattern, and if you look at like how the structure is showing, always try to take a trade in that direction. You will find that these trades will be highly rewarding. And see, like this is a very, very good example, like as you can see on the live chart, that how Bank Nifty has actually behaved, how Bank Nifty or how, sorry, JK paper in this particular case has behaved, and how it has gone down drastically after that. And irrespective of like, if you look at any chart pattern, you will always find that these patterns will work. Like look at this again here. It went up, then there is a big candle, it opened up. By the end of the day, it has given up gains, and then again there is a big downtrend. Look at this again here. Again, a very good example. Opened up, by the end of the day, given up the gains, went down. Highly bearish. Never ignore such patterns, because these are patterns that can actually be rewarding to you in terms of the trades that you take. Take a proper stop loss, and you will see that like irrespective of the like stock. So like there is like somebody says like Coal India. So irrespective of the stock, it will not make a difference. What we need to understand is we need to understand that at the end of the day, we need to focus on the right stock, right pattern. And if you focus on the right stock, right pattern, you will find that most of the times you will end up making money, and that will be a big money that you can see on the pattern. And in fact, like Coal India, again, luckily, people, those who attended 17th November session, I mentioned clearly that the chart structure is very bullish, even though the fundamentally the stock is good. But right now the chart structure from the top is highly bullish. I had like given a target that it should at least cross 185 and 200 levels. It went cross those levels, and then again it is reverting from the top. And why it is reverting from the top, no wonder you guys will be shocked. I'll tell you like a beautiful pattern which I have in pipeline for you. So there is a request like on Coal India, but before, like I'll show you more on Coal India, I'll show you my PPT. On my PPT, like I had this pattern, a double candlestick pattern, which I talked about, which is called as dark cloud cover. Now, when I say dark cloud cover is a pattern, a double candlestick pattern, which is highly bearish. So a dark cloud cover pattern is a highly bearish pattern. And usually like when you see a bullish market, the market is moving in momentum. All of the sudden you see a big red candle getting formed from the top. So it opens at the high, and by the end of the day, it covers up the 50% of the previous green candle. So from the top, the market is, or the stock price, or the index, or whatever that you are tracking, maybe a commodity, whatever. It is like from the top, it is coming down, and it comes below 50% of the red candle. Now, when it comes 50% of the red candle, we call this as a dark cloud cover. So 2008 crash, dark cloud cover. And these dark cloud covers are so prominent, so effective. I have like personally, when I see that, yes, it is getting formed at the top, these are very strong reversals. In fact, like Personally speaking, I have checked lot of stocks, lot of in terms of data, and dark cloud cover is a very effective candle. It increases your accuracy to 80 to 90%. And with such a beautiful dark cloud cover, you will find that most of the times when you look to trade, you will find that your accuracy will go to a next level. And be it any chart, look at this, a beautiful dark cloud cover on Coal India went down. Again, a beautiful dark cloud cover. So it opened up by the end of the day, more than 50% of the green candle. And look at this beautiful downside that we saw on this particular stock on Coal India. And again, look at this here in historically as well. A beautiful dark cloud cover went down. So we cannot ignore pattern. In fact, somebody mentioned about sir, if we look at, let's say, for example, a chart of Nifty also. So is Nifty showing you a kind of a pattern, which such patterns? Yes, look at this. A beautiful dark cloud cover, a beautiful dark cloud cover. So whenever you find that patterns are getting formed here, again, a beautiful dark cloud cover on Nifty, you cannot ignore. Somebody said, sir, will it work on Bank Nifty? Oh, why not? Like, it will work on Bank Nifty as well. So if you check the chart of Bank Nifty and if you find that there is a dark cloud cover getting formed on Bank Nifty, will this work? The answer is yes, it will work. So I'll show you very good examples. Look at this. At the top, there is a beautiful dark cloud cover getting formed on Bank Nifty, and what we have seen is like a drastic fall which happened on Bank Nifty. Again, look at this. Market opened here, by the end of the day, 50%, beautiful dark cloud cover. One cannot ignore such patterns. Whenever you see such patterns getting formed, whether it is index or suppose somebody says we are tracking gold. So let's say suppose if I look to track gold, and let's say somebody is looking to trade on gold, will that pattern work? The answer is yes, it will definitely work. There is no doubt. See, even this shooting star, beautiful shooting star on gold, it fell. So the pattern will definitely look good. It will definitely help you to trade better. It will definitely make you a better trader over a period of time. And that is something which we need to identify, which we need to understand that yes, if there is a change which is happening, if there is a change that we can witness on any particular stock, or maybe for example, if you're looking to trade a commodity, that change will definitely help you to actually take the right trade in the right direction. And that will actually help you to understand that yes, if any XYZ pattern is getting formed, it is opening up, and then it is moving on the other direction, definitely you will find that those trades will be rewarding. Like over here on gold, a beautiful trade. Look at this trade on gold, again a beautiful trade. So will this work? The answer is yes, it will definitely work, and it will definitely play an important part as far as your trading is concerned. Because as a trader, what we want to focus on, I repeat, and I consistently keep repeating, focus on this consistency. See, this will come. What is important is consistency. Whether it is you are making 3,000 rupees, or whether you are making 1 lakh rupees, or while looking to trade, you are looking to make 8 lakh rupees, hardly makes a difference. What is the difference? The difference is consistency. Look at the consistency of transactions. One loss, but this one loss is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, these are 9 profitable transactions, one loss. Again, this loss. So this is your profitable transactions are so many in comparison to the loss transactions. Look at the consistency of profits. What you need to focus on, it's people tend to say sir, we just want to take a trade. It's not just trading, and it's not anything and everything. It is also about understanding that we need to identify the right trades. Then we need to have consistency, and then we need to stick to our trading plan. And that is where the risk management comes in handy. And as I promised, I will discuss 3 stocks today so that all of you can understand in terms of how you can trade better, how you can become a better trader. Plus these stocks, I feel personally that can be very rewarding to you if you give some time horizon. Technical structure looks very, very good. But to all the participants, those who have joined in today, we are coming up with another beautiful session on candlestick for all the traders, those who want to join on 4th and 5th of September. This candlestick pattern, normally, if you look at the structure of candlestick, it is nearly 30,000 rupees only on candlestick that we have. and we offer, and then along with the hand holding and the live updates. But and if you look at the total structure, the cost of this particular candlestick session is 60,000 rupees, which is a detailed candlestick in terms of how each candle will look like, how you can actually figure out like how these candles can be effective and rewarding. Now, when we look at this structure, we are actually giving and coming up with this structure only at 9,999 for all the traders. This is inclusive of GST. All the traders, those who want to learn, understand candlestick better, understand like how you can make money with candlestick, how you can identify right patterns, what are the things that you should be looking at, and how as a trader these candlestick pattern can be rewarding. So what you need to do, you need to just quickly, like, this offer is will be valid only till 12. So people those who want to register, people those who want to like register for candlestick and understand candlestick in detail, plus they want to have a hand holding for 1 month along with the live updates that I will be giving you on stocks, that will only be for 9,999. So you can use the code, you can go to the website www.profitidea.net, and the link is shared with all of you. You can even like check and check the chat box and check on the YouTube channel link. So on the YouTube, like in the chat box, you can check, there is a link. You can use the code, just use the code and go to the website www.profitidea.net and simply register for this webinar. As I mentioned, like this will only be it's like only a session which will be giving you a complete insight in terms of how candlestick looks like, how best like you can trade with candlestick, what are the important things that you should be looking at, what is the right risk management, what is the stop loss, how you should be looking for a positional trade, a swing trade, or let's say if you are looking to do some intraday scalping, or if you are looking to do some intraday trades, how all like you can trade better and ensure that you can make money. So this will be giving you a very holistic picture to candlestick. Plus we will also be sharing an ebook with all the participants, those who will be in terms of participating in this session. So you will be getting a lot of freebies. Plus, like as I mentioned, my live updates, whatever trades that I'm going to take, those trades will be available along with the hand holding. So any doubt that you have with any chart that you make, everything will be provided to you. Plus, normally, if you look at this, like the complete structure is 59,000 rupees. We are giving this complete course only at 9,999. So this will be highly beneficial to participants, those who really want to understand like how candlestick looks like and how best you can trade candlestick, plus understand the major mechanism in terms of what are single candle, double candle, triple candle, and multiple candles. So you will be getting a complete insight onto that. So people can quickly go and register on the website, quickly like make your enrollment and register for the session. I am sure like that will give you a lot of insights in terms of how best you can utilize candlestick, and like what are the important things that you can focus on as far as trading candlesticks are concerned. Now, I'm sure like all of you are enthusiastic, and there are people those who are like they have mentioned that yes, like they are looking to register. You can like simply go to the website and register. In case if you face any difficulty, any problem, feel free to contact on the number given on the website. And I think even the number can be shared in the chat box with the participants, so that in case if they face any query, any difficulty, like you can always contact on the number given, and you can like simply go. These sessions will be held like the session will be held on 4th and 5th of December. So that will be like again a very fruitful session for all the participants, those who are looking to join candlestick and understand like how candlestick looks like and how like you can make money using candlestick. Now, to continue, like in the meanwhile people are doing the registration, to continue with this session and to continue like enhancing the knowledge, I have another very beautiful stock, which is another very beautiful pattern, which we call it as a double candlestick pattern. And when I say a double candlestick pattern, we have a pattern which is called as piercing line, which is exactly like opposite to dark cloud cover. So when I say like it is opposite to dark cloud cover, this is like a kind of a piercing line pattern, which we see normally in a downtrend market. So let's say suppose if the market is going down, 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 and if market is going down and suddenly like from the bottom there is a reversal. So market is going down, it opens like again, it opens gap down, By the end of the day, it goes up, and not only it goes up, but it crosses the previous day red line. So it crosses the previous day red line more than 50%. So previous day red candle is crossed by the green candle more than 50% of the formation of the previous red candle. Whenever you see such type of a pattern, it is always bullish, and it is strongly bullish. Irrespective of how many stocks you tell me, I can tell you with like confirmation that this pattern is highly effective pattern. I have traded personally on this pattern a lot. Piercing line is like one of the most effective patterns that you can come across in candlesticks, and especially like if you are looking at a candlestick pattern, and in case like if you try to identify, like I'll show you live pattern, how like even live candlesticks can be really great. I'll show you the pattern on candlestick, and I'll show you like how you can actually make money using candlestick pattern, a piercing line pattern. So for example, let's say I have this gold chart open right in front of me. And even if I look at this gold chart, will piercing line work? Will it like, for example, if somebody takes a trade on piercing line, will it actually give you money? The answer is yes. Look at this at the bottom. A piercing line pattern, and then a beautiful pattern. Again, what we have seen, a beautiful rally on gold. I'll show you like more patterns like which are getting formed. And the beauty of this is like most of these patterns, all the patterns which I'm showing you, all these are actually on a daily chart. So when on a daily chart, if you see such type of a reversal getting formed, most of those reversals are pretty strong reversals that we see. See again here, a beautiful reversal which happened on gold. Somebody says, sir, let's say suppose we are trading USD INR, will it work? The answer is yes, it will work. So suppose if you're looking to trade USD INR, will the pattern work? Will you be able to make money? The answer is yes. Like if you see this pattern, beautiful pattern again. And if you look at over here again, the rally happened. It is not like more than 50%. Again, a beautiful rally on USD INR. Suppose somebody said, sir, let's say suppose if I'm looking to track any other commodity, let's say suppose silver, for example, will it work on silver? My answer is yes. So even if you're tracking silver, look at this beautiful pattern on silver. From 58,000, 59,000, silver went all the way up to 66,600. So will it work? The answer is yes. Somebody said, sir, check Reliance. Will it work on Reliance? The answer is yes, it will work on Reliance. Like for example, if you look at this this pattern on Reliance, I'll show you on Reliance as well, so that you can verify and you can check. Like see on the top, a beautiful dark cloud cover, it went down, and then I'll show you the reversal pattern as well on Reliance Industries, a blue chip stock which has a lot of liquidity and like traded regularly with a lot of liquidity every day. So Reliance Industries is one of the top stocks that we see. Look at this, a beautiful pattern, a beautiful rally. Sir, will it work on a stock like Maruti? So these are questions that people come across. Like it's like time and again people keep asking me such questions. Now see this beautiful pattern, exactly what we want to see. And see, look at this, open down, by the end of the day covered 50% of the previous candle, and then look at the strong rally which happened on Maruti. That these are things that we have to focus on. Again from the bottom here, beautiful rally. So before this rally came, it's a kind of inverted hammer at the bottom, and then it's also a kind of a candlestick pattern which is also giving you a kind of a piercing line setup. So it is a beautiful rally. Next day we saw Maruti 7% up, and then followed up rally another 2.79% up. So these are things that we have to like focus on. We have to understand that if you look at the right pattern, if you look at like in terms of the right structure, I think that is something which is very productive for us. That is something that we should be looking at, and we should be looking to identify that understand that this is the pattern, and this pattern will help you. So whether this, or if you're looking at the reversal also. So a dark cloud cover that we talked about, look at this beautiful dark cloud cover. Top, never reach the top, beautiful downside after that. So identifying checking the pattern, I think that is something which you as a trader, that will definitely help you. Plus, like it will help you to understand that yes, like what is happening as far as the broader markets are concerned. Somebody like asked regarding the Quest Corp. So I think like irrespective of what stock you pick, irrespective of like what you see, I think the chart structure, the pattern is very, very clear. And even if you look at like somebody has asked regarding the Quest Corp, I think it's very, very clear. Look at this beautiful piercing line, beautiful rally happened. A top dark cloud cover, downfall happened. So understand the pattern, trade the pattern well, understand like how the market is behaving. And you will find that your trading success will go to the next level. And I think like as a trader, we all want to have that. As a trader, we all want to understand like how best we can trade, how best we can identify the patterns, and how we should be looking to trade better. I think this is something which is very, very important. In fact, like there is one query regarding NMDC, or like there is another query regarding ISG SEC. Like look at this right now, like NMDC, it's like clearly bearish. It turned bearish from here, from the top, and highly bearish from this level. In fact, like people like those who know me and all the paid members, like they remember like when we were talking about NMDC, I gave them a precise level. So I'll show you like regarding NMDC. This is here. We bought good quantity of NMDC. We sold it off. Why did we sell it off? We sell it off right here. So at the top, I could see that it is not looking very good. It is like forming a kind of a shooting star. And at the top, it was forming a shooting star after a green candle. I decided to square off my position, and we came out on like as far as NMDC is concerned. So it's very, very important that you look at the right pattern. Look at like in terms of how this pattern is looking at, like in terms of what pattern a stock is getting from. And even now, if you look at current pattern, people those who are asking current pattern, NMDC is bearish. Right now, the chart structure is clearly bearish. If it goes below this 133, it will turn highly bearish. So unless and until you see a reversal candle, I will not prefer to take a trade here. I hope like that gives you a clarity. And like for example, somebody has asked regarding ISGSEC. So again, if you look at ISGSEC, it is like all the patterns are working beautifully. It is like it was in a strong bear trend. Again, a big Marubozu candle going down. There is like some sort of like in terms of from the bottom, it has reversed. Let's track tomorrow's candle. If tomorrow candles can be some green signal, a reversal candle, only then look to take a trade. Else like do not take a trade over here. I hope like that answers the query in terms of the query that people have, and how like, and in the meanwhile, I hope like you can check another one, like somebody asked regarding Motherson Sumi. So again, beautiful setup on Motherson Sumi. Look at these patterns, very beautiful. In fact, like if you look at this again, after going down, went up, there is a beautiful shooting star and went down. Again, a good downtrend that we could see as far as the patterns are concerned. And I hope like all the people, those who look to track stocks, whether it is like Bosch, whether it is Motherson Sumi, whether it is any XYZ stock, I think the pattern is pattern. At the end of the day, we need to focus on like how, so Bosch with a big red candle, never look to buy here. So I will not look to buy here unless and until like I see a reversal here. So it looks strongly bearish. It has reversed. It was going up. It has reversed strongly. A big bearish candle. Ideally, it might just come to 50% of Marubozu, and then again it can go down. So the structure is clearly bearish. And all the patterns that we are talking about, all the patterns that we are mentioning about, I think all those patterns are pretty clear and pretty simple. That yes, like we should be focused on right patterns. And as I mentioned, like all the participants, this is a one-time offer for all the participants, those who want to join, those who want to take the benefit. In fact, like all the queries that I see, sir, whether it is Trident, whether it is HDFC AMC, whether it is Nath Biogen, Tata Motor, DVR, like once like you are a part of handholding, we will actually discuss all these charts. We will talk about like all these stocks that you want to understand, and we will talk about the patterns. So the handholding is also provided only with the cost of 9,999. So all those who have not enrolled, and if you want to take the benefit, enroll for our candlestick pattern, enroll for the session. This offer is only valid till 12. Enroll now and take the benefit of all these stocks. We will discuss all these stocks, all the patterns. We will talk about in more detail in terms of like how the pattern looks like, and you will get a clarity on all the candlestick pattern, whether it is a single, double, triple, or multiple candles. Plus you will get better understanding on risk management, stop loss management, better understanding on like clarity on how you can trade better, how you can understand better. So it's like, for example, the people, those who are part of our main course, and like those who understand us, they know, like somebody has posted a query on Trident. Nobody wanted to buy. Again, on a simple candlestick pattern, I discussed regarding Trident. Nobody wanted to buy this stock at rupees 13. And I wanted to buy that stock right here, and I was very optimistic on Trident. Now, why I wanted to buy here, there is a reason. It was like forming a beautiful pattern. So we will discuss a lot of things so that you can understand trades better. Now the same Trident probably people want to buy now when it has become nearly like more than like 3.5 times in comparison to what we bought. So that is where, like, I think people miss out on a lot of things, on a lot of aspects. Like we are still holding Trident. Just as a disclosure, we have Trident in our portfolio and we are still holding Trident, but I have sold 50% of Trident. So you can see, like, Trident 5,000 quantity I have sold, booked 49,000 rupees profit in Trident, but still holding the remaining 5,000 quantity on Trident, and my cost is free. And this is the strategy which I opt. This is something that, like, I look to opt for when I look to trade, in terms of how you can check stocks, how you can trade better, like as far as stocks are concerned, and what are the things that you can focus on, like, for example, like there is one very beautiful query by Piyush Maheshwari, and Piyush has asked me, sir, is it possible to trade in terms of options using candle pattern? Of course, why not? Like every day on Algo, I trade a lot of candle patterns. And if I show you, like, on my algo parameters, so on my algo parameters, if I show you, like, in terms of the chart parameters, these are candle patterns on options, and I trade every day Nifty, Bank Nifty options. And if you see the candle patterns, they look exactly similar. And if you learn to trade them better, you will find that even in option charts, you will be able to trade candles beautifully. So if you look at this, like these are Bank Nifty charts on a candlestick. And let me just, like, make a normal candle for that. You will be able to like relate better. So if you look at this particular chart of Bank Nifty, again, a beautiful candlestick chart. You can, if you want to trade like a beautiful shooting star, it went down. You can trade, like, you want to trade on option chart, go and check with the option chart as well. So these are option charts, live option charts, and you can identify the candle. So if you want to take a trade on option chart, looking at a candlestick pattern, of course you can look to trade on a candlestick chart also, and check, like, in terms of how the premiums can, these are all premiums. So if you look at this, these are all premiums that you see on a candle chart. Beautiful premium. This is all, like, in terms of everything that you see, this can all be traded on algorithm. Everything can be like live. It can be traded with without any hassle, and you can check, like, how how beautifully the chart structure is looking like. Plus, like, algorithms can be highly profitable. Like, this is last trading session. I think I don't need to it's like I'm very clear in terms of what I do. This is the last trading session on Friday. It is still open in front of me, and you can see this is all algo profits. These are all algo profits. So there is like no human intervention. This is all algo profits that you see, like 65,000, 39,000, all option trading. So it's like time and again people ask me, sir, can you show that like in terms of the positions that these are all options. Can you see all option trades? All option trades being taken on algorithm, fully automated algo system. And like, it is identifying the candlestick, it is identifying the pattern, it is identifying the EMA crossover and taking trades. And you can see the profitability, consistency. So I trade with a lot of pride, lot of in terms of like what I see as far as trading goes. And I always feel that it's important that you trade regularly and trade with conviction, whether you are looking to trade on stocks, whether you are looking to trade on options. These are all options. In fact, like, people, those who know me, like, I'm one of the like, I trade options a lot, and we have a lot of volumes on options. So it's like day in day out as an option trader, derivative trader, what I learn to take a trade in the right direction, learn to take a trade which can actually like help you to trade better, understand better in terms of in which direction market is going, how best like you can trade better. In fact, like if you identify your positions well, if you identify your charts well, trust me, your trading technique will improve drastically. And this is one system, like the system that you see on my screen, this is fully automated. I start in the morning at 9:10, and by the end of 3:34, or whenever you get free in the evening, you can check like what is your profit, what is your loss. So this is all system driven approach, and that is something which is like done. I think there is one query from Mr. I think Anmol. Anmol is asking the code is maximum used. So Anmol, like what you can do if the code is used, I think you can contact on the number given. I think so you can contact Sudhir, and that is something which is like. Which will well, like he will help you out to utilize the code. So I think you are not able to apply the discount code. Maybe the maximum limit is already reached as you are posting in your message. So just like contact Sudhir, and thank you participants for your registration. That goes on to show like in terms of the participants, those who have registered. And thanks for the overwhelming response that we are seeing for our candlestick session and for the workshop. Like people are registering in good numbers, and that is something which is very very interesting to see. In fact, like uh, all the participants, those who are looking to learn, understand things, I think utilize this opportunity to maximum so that you can trade better, understand better, and also like have a glance of like how you can understand these things. I think like there is a lot of requests that by participants that sir, probably if you can take one session on algo also, definitely I'll keep that request in mind, and I'll take one session on algorithm as well. So on algorithm, when I take that session, I think that will also be giving you a clarity to all the participants that you like how you can trade on a fully automated system without any human intervention, and like how you can make money. I think that will also give you a clarity. But for now, all the participants, those who are still they are facing any difficulty, contact Sudhir or go to directly like www.profitidea.net, and I think somebody will be able to help you out. I can see that participants are saying that the coupon is used maximum time. So Atul sir, like I request if you can probably issue a new coupon code, or if you can post the number again for the participants so that they can register and they can join the session. And I think that they will have more clarity in terms of how to apply the code. But I hope like participants are finding this interesting, and they are able to understand like why candlestick as a pattern is very very important. And then time and again and again and again, I think what I really want people to understand, like whether it is Trident, whether it is like any other stock, you can always in terms of check me, like in terms of join me on Twitter at Anadi Professor. So in case like if you still feel that you have any doubt, always you can send a message to me at Anadi Professor, or you can join me on Facebook as well. So this is my Facebook uh, page, facebook.com/Anadi Professor. There are like nearly 245,000 followers which are there on Facebook. I think all of you can take the benefit. And like in fact on LinkedIn there are a lot of articles, like as I showed you, there are a lot of articles that you can take benefit of and read this article. This is a candlestick article which I showed you with all the patterns, like whether it was JK Paper, whether it is Kotak Mahindra Bank, all these things like can be highly effective and highly useful. And I think like as a trader, that will help you to understand the structure better, that will help you to understand the trades better. It will actually help you to understand like how you should position yourself better. And as I mentioned, most important part in life is not like even if you toss a coin, I think you can trade. But what is more important is you will be understanding risk management. You will be understanding stop loss calculation. I think like as a trader, what is more important for me is not buy and sell. Anybody can buy and anybody can sell. So buying and selling is a different game altogether. But I think what is more important is your right entry and exit. And I think the focus of this candlestick session will be more on right entry and right exit. If you learn to like enter right, and if you look like learn to like for example enter at the right time, take the right trade, trust me, your trading will improve to a next level, because risk management is where people fail. It is like most people, they tend to have in terms of they just take the trade and then they don't know what when to exit. And I think that is where our focus will be. Another query that I have in the chat box is, sir, is it possible that we look to buy options? And can we buy options like using Candlestick? Why not? Like, why you cannot buy? You can definitely look to buy options using Candlestick as well. And I'll give you a live example. I think that live example will give you more clarity in terms of like how you can utilize options better, how you can like if you're looking to trade options, is it possible for you to take live trades? See, if you look at this chart is also giving you like a clarity in terms of, if a buy signal will come, the buy signal will happen on options. If a sell signal will come, the sell signal will also happen in options. So irrespective of different charts, different time frames, whether it is a 10-minute chart, whether it is a 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart, daily chart, it will not make a difference. You want to buy options, you can buy options. You want to sell options, you can sell options. And like with the proper stop loss mechanism, with the right technique, you will be able to do that. And we will help you to understand those options better so that you can have a better risk management and you can understand the techniques better. I hope that answers your query. And I hope like all the participants are able to take the benefit of this session and they are able to connect with us better. They are able to understand the technique better. In fact, like there is one query by the participants that I see, like how they can approach. They can go to our website, they can check our website and take a for example, if you go to profitidea.net. So if you go to profitidea.net, the moment you go over there, there is an option. You can directly go and sign up here, check all the details. In case if you face any problem, feel free to contact. And I'm sure like that will help you to understand things better. And I hope like this session has given you a lot of insights in terms of what single candlestick pattern shooting star and inverted hammer is all about. What is a bullish counter attack and a bearish counter attack. Plus you are able to understand piercing line and a dark cloud cover in detail. And I hope like when you will come to the live session, join us for on 4th and 5th of December. I hope like I will be able to guide you better, handhold you better, and also like give you some live trades so that you are able to understand, position yourself better. Another thing, like all the past participants, those who have understood and they have participated in our sessions, they have understood that they have easily recovered whatever they have paid in in a single trade. So once like you will understand the technique, I am sure your trading will go to a next level altogether. With this, I thank all the participants for joining in today and like sparing so much of time. Thank you so much, everyone. Jai Shri Krishna. And Atul sir, like I think you can look to conclude the session for the day and probably guide people, those who are looking to like register and they're facing some technical challenges.
Very well, Varun sir. Thank you so much for such an informative session. Amazing session once again. Am I audible to you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much, participants. Thanks for your overwhelming response on the session. We have added more coupons, so you can still utilize the same coupon code and you can go and register for that. As Varun sir said, this is the second time we are coming up with same session. And in the last session, we had a couple of participants who, whatever fees they paid, they have recovered 8x of the total fees amount. So we are expecting the similar kind of a stuff as well this time. The similar kind of hand holding and the other stuff is being shared. And also there are some additional benefits and bonuses that we have added this time. So hope everyone who have registered, they are definitely going to get benefited. People who are still looking to get registered, we still have around 22 minutes left. The code is going to get expired automatically. So, we have just 22 minutes left for the registrations. If you are facing any challenges, I have shared Sudhi sir's number in the chat, so you can reach out to him. And if you still have anything, do let us know, and we'll be able to, kind of help you out with the registration process. Right. This is actually a limited participants workshop. We are not looking for having the huge, the masses as we do in our free webinars. So just so that we have the focus group and we are doing the focus discussions in that, and we have, because we are doing the hand holdings, so it is always like one-to-one interaction and other things we kind of, take care and during these sessions. So once again, I mean, we have although added the total amount of coupons in this time, but it is still within the limit wherein, we'll be able to handle the overall participants. So those who are still looking for it, please go ahead and make use of this opportunity. Uh, we are here to help you out in case you are facing any challenges, right? People who are on YouTube as of now, my request, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it so that for all the upcoming webinars, I mean, similar kind of informative webinars, you'll be having access to directly from the YouTube itself. So, those who have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and, we'll kind of keep you posted about it. We are coming up, we already have our calendar plans. We are coming up with series of other topics as well in the upcoming weeks, and you'll keep getting notified for that. This channel is still open. We are keeping this line open for another 20 minutes, just in case if anyone is facing challenges, please reach out to us and we'll kind of help you out in your registration process. Meantime, thank you so much for the rest of the people who have joined in. Wish you
Well,
all
like,
a very
just to like
nice day.
it's like maybe to speak in between. I think there is the request that as we mentioned and as we promised, like by the end of the session, I'm going to like tell them about the three trades, the three important trades that they can take, and the important point is like how what I can see on the chart structure. But before that, I will like to thank all the participants for such a overwhelming response. In fact, like I will love to hear your feedback for those who have still not given the feedback, because I think that is something which is very important. And as I promised, and as I like promised you, like what three stocks that you can focus on, what are the three stocks which are looking very good as far as long term structure is concerned. So very quickly, I'm coming to these three stocks. I think these are stocks that you can look to analyze and check. Just as a disclosure, we have it in our portfolio, and even my clients and all the Profit Idea students, like they must be having in their portfolio. This is one stock, like I think, which is looking very good. I recently talked about it, like around 2,800 to 3,000 levels. We have it in our portfolio. Even the price is 3,800. I foresee that this stock can easily double or triple from the current levels. I will not be surprised if I see this going towards 10,000, because it's a beautiful company. The chart setup is beautiful. Not only on a daily chart, it's a bullish Marubozu candle which is formed, but even if you look at a weekly chart, it's a beautiful weekly chart setup. So after a big good rebound that we have seen, it's a beautiful setup on a weekly chart as well. For long term, I think this is one stock that you can look to like buy on dips, with the intent that this stock can perform really good. And I think the company is very solid with good financials, with good technical setup. I think this is where like one can look to park the capital. Another company that I have recently like put an exposure on, like if you look at a daily chart, a recently listed company, I'm sure like many must have applied for the IPO. I got this in the IPO as well. And if you look at this particular, it is consolidating. It is forming a kind of a cup pattern. Then after that, like there's some sort of a handle for kind of a formation which has happened, and now we can see a kind of a spinning bottom formation that is happening on the company. The overall chart structure looks good. The company is looking like solid as far as the business model is concerned. I think in the coming time, the company can even reward better people, those who are like eagerly keen as far as in terms of if you have the appetite to hold the stock for some time. I think this is one stock, Rolex rings, which can actually like reward you better in the coming time. And I think over a period of time, you will be able to like gain good gains. Like you can have substantial gains in the stock coming up. It can be a potential multi-bagger from the current levels. Another stock that you can focus on is HIL. So if I show you HIL, something very interesting, a very good setup, a bullish setup that has happened on a daily chart. In fact, like I mentioned, like just accumulate the stock between 4,200 to 4,300. It is still not very expensive. And I think, again, a candidate which can easily go to 10,000 levels. So this is a stock which I think, again, with a very good long-term intent. So as a disclosure, again, all the three stocks that I'm talking about, Rolex rings, HIL, SKF, it is there in our portfolio and in my client's portfolio. The structure looks good on HIL. I think the stock has corrected also from the top. And if you see the overall structure, it has like, it is forming a very bullish kind of a structure. And even if it falls down, suppose if it comes down to 3200 to 3500, 3600 levels, do not panic at all. Look to accumulate the stock looks good. The overall long term structure is very, very good. The chart is very good. And even if you look at the major cycle, it has corrected from the top. And I think these are levels where, from where the stock can again look to bounce. So uh, probably accumulating in a staggered manner, I think that will be a very good, probably an opportunity for all the people, those who want to make money, and they want to understand that yes, like this is one stock which I think everybody can focus on. Now, as a bonus for people, those who have kept so much of patience, and people, those who have like attended the session and waiting till the end, because they understand that we always give quality and we always give something extra than what we promise. So for all the people, I'm talking about another stock which I'm focusing on right now, which is like Ramakrishna RK Forging. Now this is one stock which is like going down, down. I will look for a bottom somewhere here, and like people those who understand indicator as well. I'm tracking the stock very keenly. It's a good company, a good business. They are like very profitable also in terms of what they do, and plus again a long-term bet. It can be a very, very good stock. So if I just like look at RSI, normally on a mid cap space, I look for a RSI of 10, but in this stock I will be love to like accumulate this the moment it comes below 20 RSI. It's already 22. So maybe tomorrow if it goes down further, I will look to lap onto this particular stock. I think it's a good company, a good business, and on dips I will look to accumulate. So people also can keep patience and probably do not panic by maybe 100 200 rupees. If you don't panic by those kind of levels, I think this is one stock that you can keep in your portfolio for long term. So I will look to accumulate this like on dips. I think it's a good company, a good business, and it will work. I see like there is one query from Sanju that the code is not working. I think again it is full. Many participants have registered. So you can utilize the code again. Like you can go use the code PI67, and I think that will work. So Atul sir, I think you can help the participant, and I think I have mentioned about like instead of three, I have given you four stocks, and I hope like all the participants could gain immense knowledge with the session. I will definitely seek your feedback. Like you can give your feedback on Twitter. You can always connect to me on at Anadi Professor and do give your honest feedback. That will be really great. And thank you so much, participants, for like participating in healthy numbers and joining till the end. I really thank all the participants and also Atul sir and the team for organizing another wonderful session under Profit Idea Belt, and we are able to help participants to learn better. We really look forward to all of you to join in healthy numbers and to actually like ensure that you can gain maximum knowledge.